screws in, and all I'm going to do is just tighten it all up so it won't be so wobbly, like a weeble wobble.
Oh, wait. Damn YouTube is going on out here.
Okay, even before you start gluing anything on it, I'm going to use this liquid nail clear seal. Got all this glass from our property, and I'm gonna glue it on here like in a mosaic kind of picture of a cactus. I think it's a barrel cactus. So that's what I'm gonna do right here in this corner. This corner I'm not sure yet. I'll figure that out as I go along, like I said. Alright, I glued every piece on there and cut some pieces as best I could. What I had, just basically just hurry up and wait until it completely dries, then you put the mortar in, and I'll show you how I'll do that next. And so this is basically the grout here is the sand that we have in the desert. So, and I just sprayed a little Windex on the glass pieces so I can kind of dust them off and clean them up. I just drew the saguaro, sorry if I'm saying it wrong, cactus with the glue. And now I'm going to put rocks on it, kind of make it texture looking. Like I said previous, that I am going to put polyurethane on it to kind of seal it so he can use it outside or inside. Just like we used to do in grade school. You know, put glue down, then we put glitter, right? I can never get my grade school out of me. That's why I stay in kindergarten, working kindergartners. I even talk like one, it seems like. Liquid nail stuff, you can move things around for, you know, if you don't like it or you want to change your mind on something. Of course, you just move it, reshape it, kind of thing. Okay. Here, a dog's paw. I am finally done. The fun part is to clean up everything and let this dry. I just want to show you what it looks like. Here's my cactuses. This is the barrel cactus with the little flower on there. This is some glass I found and some rocks around here. That's all I decorated this with. We had spray paint, we had these legs, and this piece of wood. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making this footstool for Warren for Christmas. And Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone. Bye.